Hi children, today we are going to learn the animal names with sounds. So we are going to learn dog, bark, cow, moo, tiger, roar, elephant, trumpet, sheep, bleat, cat, meow, lion, roar, rat, sneak, hen, cluck, horse, neigh, frog, croak, pigeon, coo, camel, grunt, owl, hoot, wolf, howl, jackal, howl, bee, budge, snake, hiss, mice, sneak, pig, snort or oink, crow, caw, monkey, gibber, duck, quack, donkey, bray, deer, grunt, wolves, howl or cry, sparrow, twitter, bear, growl, bull, bellow, zebra, winky. Thank you children. Please subscribe and like and share my channel. Thank you.